Today, I'll be showing you how you can view different types of contamination information in the data layer and in property report, all within LandApp. So the first things I will do once I've opened up the app is turn off the for sale listing pins, and then I'll click on the data layer icon and hit the arrow to the left once to find the contamination information. I'll zoom out on the map here just so you can see all that data that has populated. Now let's take a look at the legend. The first couple of icons you see are related to Superfund sites. Then we have contaminant site, abandoned wells, and underground storage tanks. Now the experience on LandApp mobile is different from the LandApp experience on desktop. On the desktop, when you zoom in on a part of the map that you're interested in receiving data about, you're actually able to hover over your mouse on these icons to view some basic information about that site. On mobile, we don't have that same type of capabilities, as many of you are probably aware. However, you still get access to that same information. So here I have located a few different icons. I can see that we do have a dust icon for Superfund. I do see we have a few different icons for the underground storage tanks, as well as some icons identifying some wells. So the thing I want to do is find a parcel nearby so we can view some more information. I'm going to go ahead and click on this parcel up top here. Generate that property report and click over into risk index. From here you can see that we do have some oil and gas contamination, but our industrial contamination is scored at an 81. If I want to view more information, I'll click into industrial contamination and see that I have the Superfund site information populating for me. When you scroll down even more, you can see that we do have a link to this Superfund site that you can view more information about provided by the EPA. There is no toxic spill information, so that's good. I'm going to go back out and click into oil and gas contamination and see what type of information is provided. We do have some abandoned wells located here. I'm going to click on transportation just so we can see that legend pop up. And we can see that we do have some serviced wells located nearby. Now, I want to view more information about this contaminant. What I can do is send a property report with the export button there. I can toggle on and include different company logos. If I'm a realtor, I can include some personal information, upload a personal picture, and I can even turn off some of these resources that I don't really want to focus on. I just want to look at that industrial contamination, so it'll clean up that report pretty nicely. And then once I click export, it will email that report to me. If I wanted to share the report, I can email the property report to someone, and once they receive it, they'll be able to view that same type of information. I just need to remember to toggle off all this content and just keep the industrial contamination data. And then I'll hit send. As you can see here, I have received that property report in my email with this nice little email. And if I scroll down, I can see the attachment and I can click into that attachment, see that it was a property report generated for me, the summary, and then I can get into the industrial contamination there. So we do have that EPA Superfund site information located here. We can zoom in on the map here as well and view the icons that populated. And then for the underground storage tank information, we can see that there were quite a few storage tanks located on this property. We can see the substances, their status, their capacity, also when they were installed.